Hey guys, so I'm here again, filming constantly. So I'm going to do another Halloween look. You are in a different spot right now because I wanted to try something new. So I'm gonna try this like girl scarecrow thing. I don't know if it's gonna work out very fine, but we will see. So I might start on the mouth. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think I might just do it with this really cheap eyeliner. I'm gonna like line where I want it to be. Now I'm gonna start filling this in. Okay. I will clean up the bottom of it because it's a little messy, but not at the moment. I got a little bit of brown on my brush and I'm just outlining where I'm gonna be going. I'm going to grab some concealer and I'm going to cover it so I can put stuff in it. So that's covered in. I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to grab my Morphe palette and I'm going to grab the orange in it.
I'm going to try lining the bottom one first, I think.
So I just added black to this side of the eye. I might just add a little bit of this color to like brighten it. Also with this one, I'm gonna also grab that color again and just place a circle there. I'm now gonna go back in with this and finish off with the nose. Go in with this brush to clean up the bottom. I'm now gonna add some detailed like scarecrow things. Morphe 35B palette. Grab this brush and just apply orange on the cheek. What? I'm filming. So this is the finished look. I did want to do a smoky eye, but I just think that would take too long and I hate working with black, so if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for new content, obviously, like this. I'll be uploading in the future, so see ya!